question. Tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling.
Hey y'all, so it's Monday night and I'm about to make okra and tomatoes. It's like a southern dish. I feel like probably like, yeah, I consider it a southern dish, but let me know if y'all eat it up north or wherever you're from. So I'm about to do okra and tomatoes over rice. And it's also like, I won't say a southern dish because I feel like every culture uses okra. We just all use it a little bit differently. But anyway, that's what I'm making because I got okra from the farmer's market. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I did was make sure that I cleaned my okra well, because since I do get this from the farmer's market, y'all, there will be a lot of like random stuff on these vegetables. So I'm washing these really good in a colander and just making sure. Then I sliced them at an angle into bite-sized pieces. And the reason I did an angle is supposedly it like helps with the slime. Next, I took an onion and I chopped that up. Then I got a bell pepper and I diced that up as well. I did a green bell pepper. I went over to my stovetop and I put it on medium heat. Added some olive oil to the pan and then added my onion and bell pepper. Now this is optional, but I did add some ground meat that I got from the farmer's market just because I thought it would taste good. And so I put that meat into the pan. I seasoned it with garlic, onion, Cajun seasoning, pepper, just, you know, my own little mix. Now, y'all, if y'all don't have one of these, because I didn't grow up with one of these, but a little, like, grounder, I don't know what it's called, but this little tool right here, which is linked in my Amazon store, 10 out of 10. The way it makes, like, making ground beef or ground turkey so much easier, because I'm used to, like, using a spatula and having to, like, smash your pan all hard, but this little thingy, bomb AF. And so I did that. Then I took a can of crushed tomatoes and I added that in there with the okra. I mixed it up well, and then I added a little bit more seasoning because I tend to like under season my food. So I went in with a little garlic, a little pepper, some more Cajun seasoning, and I just turned that down low and allowed for it to simmer. Okay, y'all, so my okra is simmering, I guess. It doesn't take long to cook. Supposedly you just cook it until the okra gets soft, which isn't long because you don't want for it to get too slimy. But confession, I don't mind a little slime with my okra. I know, controversial. But anyway, and now I'm about to make a Brussels sprout salad, y'all. I've just been really into Brussels sprouts. I don't know why, but them in a salad bomb. So I'm just gonna cut up the Brussels sprouts and then I'll show you tomorrow for lunch how I actually like put it together, because I don't make the whole salad at once. I just prep the Brussels sprouts in a big container. Well, here's my final product of my okra, and I think it looks great. It smells really, really good, and I'm just gonna eat it over rice, like a little half cup of rice. But yeah, love this. It looks super tasty. This is my dinner for the week. Okay, y'all, so that Brussels sprouts were super dirty, so I'm about to rewash them. Now that I've cut them all up, I'm gonna just put them in the salad spinner and just do another good wash, probably 2 to be honest, just to make sure they're clean, and then spin them to dry them. It's 1 cup of the okra mix and then half a cup of rice. So 1 cup of like okra, meat, and veggies, and half a cup of rice. Pretty. Good morning, y'all. It is early. It's not early, y'all. I'm running late for work. I'm lying. It's Wednesday morning, y'all. I just have not been feeling going to work on time. So that's terrible. Luckily, I work somewhere that it is pretty flexible, thank God, because, you know, and I'm great at my job, also thank God, because if I wasn't, I don't know what would be happening right now. But yeah, I'm up. I'm about to make myself some eggs and some kale with some coffee real quick, y'all, because that's my breakfast of champions for some reason lately. And then just head to work. Yeah, y'all, I've been just kind of like, how does one describe it? I feel like I'm on the brink of a meltdown, but it's like the dramatic in me. You know, it's like the dramatics. I'm not in fact, and I'm not gonna even show y'all me cooking eggs. I'm just gonna talk to y'all because y'all have seen me cook eggs a million times. Like, you've seen it once, you've seen it a million. But y'all, I'm basically like in the middle of a meltdown. But like, not really though, if that makes sense. I don't know how to describe it. I just feel I just feel like life is like getting away from me, and I don't know if that makes sense. I just feel like everything is just all over the place, And I have been working on like getting more organized. The kitchen was a great step for me, which I saw in the last vlog. That really helped me, just like everything having a place. But now it's just like maintaining it, so I'm working through that, y'all. And just like everything, like mentally, physically. Thank God today I have therapy, because y'all know that always gets me back on track. I'm also one of those vibes where it's like I don't really care to go to work and stuff. Let me wash this kale. One second, y'all. Oh, there's some mold on it. So yeah, I've just kind of been in like a little bit of a chaotic space. And I have to get it together because like life isn't slowing down. This weekend I have a ton to do. Next weekend I'm out of town. So it's kind of like I just have to embrace what it is, you know? And I know me, like also it's the end of the year and this is around when my mom passed away. So the end of the year is always like a mind F for me because it's when my mom died, it's when we buried her, it's when her birthday is. So there's like so many major things that, you know, are linked to the end of the year. It's just kind of figuring that out and navigating that is always tricky for me. But, you know, yeah, I'm just trying to get it together basically, y'all. That's the one. And I'm gonna add a little nutritional yeast to my eggs. I want them to have like a cheesy taste, but I don't want to add extra cheese. So, yeah, y'all, that's the update. But I'm feeling blessed. I just like, you know, I just had to kind of recenter myself. This morning I woke up, I did my Devo. I've been making sure to like do my meditation. So I know it's gonna get together. It's just right now I have to, you know, work through some things. And I'm feeling positive about it. Hey y'all, so I'm at the office. I wanted to do a cute montage of me walking in and all that, but y'all, I got here and I literally had a meeting that I did not know about. So that's the first thing I did. I'm about to eat my eggs with my kale. I don't know if I'm the only one, y'all, but add veggies to your eggs if you eat them because it just gets you a little boost of nutrition. I'm starving, so I might end up eating this and the yogurt for breakfast. I mean, it's already 12 o'clock, so it makes sense that I'm hungry, but yeah. I am just really trying to live my life right, okay? So I'm like focused on that. I have a lot of errors, but what else is new? So I'm just making it happen with that. And yeah. Also, y'all, I might be getting a dog. Happy Thursday, y'all. So today is my boss's birthday, and tell me why I volunteered to go pick up her some flowers and stuff. But y'all know I'm always running late to work. So I get to work at like 9:42. I roll. I roll. Come in. I roll. Did everybody sign it?
Jessica.
Where's Jessica and Lauren?
I don't know if Jessica's here, and then Fliza was talking to her.
God dang it.
So we'll just keep it till like whenever you're ready.
Okay. And you don't want to keep it in your office? So if Michelle comes by?
Oh, yeah.
And then if you can catch Lauren?
Okay.
Okay. And so, so I was like, oh, sorry. I was like, I'll get flowers. No problem. I'll pick up flowers and a cake for her. Y'all, tell me why I get here at 9:42. I'm late. I walk in empty-handed. I sit down at my desk and then I start looking at my IMs from yesterday and I'm like, wait, I'm supposed to get flowers and a cake. Birthday cake. I'm covering up her name for privacy. And then I got her these beautiful flowers. And like, I think it's a really nice bouquet. Perfect. She's a little autumnal queen. And so my coworker is going around having everybody sign the card for her. And then we're going to take this to her around like lunchtime so that she can open it and enjoy it. But yeah, I'm just cracking up. I'm like, who do I think I am? I know I'm not the responsible party. Like, why would I be like, oh, no problem, I'll go pick stuff up. But I got it done. And y'all, I look freaking nuts, so don't mind me, but I got a new lens, so we have to unbox it. It is the 1122. So it is a wide angle lens. I've been wanting one for a hot minute, but I kept delaying because, you know, it costs a lot of money. But I got a little bonus at work, so I decided that this was gonna be my splurge. Anyway, this is the background right now. Like, this is how much y'all can see, right, of me. This is the camera, normal, wide angle, whatever. I'm gonna put this lens on and switch out so y'all can see like how much wider it is. This is the kit lens that comes with the M50. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at the difference. I'm in the same spot. Literally, I did not move. You can see so much more. Like, wow, that's crazy. Like, I can see all the way over there. So I'm really excited. This is like more for vlogging because, so what's nice is I can have the camera like this, right? And you're still seeing more of the background, or even like this close, you're still seeing the background. And I don't have to worry about being like my hand further out. I can be holding the camera like this and y'all can be seeing what's going on. But yeah, I'm really excited. And then it zooms in closer too, I believe, or maybe not as close, but yeah, y'all, that is crazy. I'm so excited, so happy with the purchase. This definitely is gonna expose me though, because since it's a wider angle, you can see more of my mess. But I wanted to get it for my workout videos because I feel like you'll have more of my body in the frame than like normally. I don't have that much of me in the frame when I do like workout videos. This lens, I'm gonna take it to get cleaned because I definitely don't treat it how it deserves all the time. So it needs to be cleaned. And then, yeah, I just love it. Wow, that is so much wider. I don't know if I'm gonna like keep this one on all the time. Something I like about like being close up, I feel like it just makes you closer to y'all, but I don't know. I just wanted to share it because I'm excited. Y'all, I look nuts, but y'all know I spend Fridays in the house, okay? I'm not an outside girl on the Fridays. On Fridays, I stay inside. I do responsible things, so that's what I'm doing today. I have been just like relaxing all day, and in about 2 hours, I'm gonna start editing and get everything over with. But yeah, nice calm evening in.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely.